Hello and welcome to our video on the best HRT for weight loss. If you're a woman who has struggled to lose weight, despite eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly, you may be interested in learning more about hormone replacement therapy. In this video, we will explore the different types of HRT that have been shown to promote weight loss, as well as their potential benefits and risks. What is HRT? HRT, or hormone replacement therapy, is a medical treatment that involves supplementing a woman's natural hormones with synthetic hormones. It is commonly used to treat the symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and mood swings. HRT comes in different forms, including pills, patches, creams, and injections, and can contain different types of hormones, such as estrogen, progesterone, or a combination of both. Can HRT help with weight loss? Recent studies have suggested that certain types of HRT may help women lose weight, especially if they are postmenopausal. Estrogen, in particular, has been shown to reduce body fat and increase lean muscle mass, which can help boost metabolism and burn calories. However, not all types of HRT are created equal when it comes to weight loss. In fact, some types of HRT may actually promote weight gain, so it's important to choose the right type of HRT based on your individual needs and health status. What are the potential side effects of HRT? Like any medical treatment, HRT comes with potential risks and side effects. These can include headaches, bloating, breast tenderness, and mood swings. In addition, long-term use of HRT has been linked to an increased risk of certain health conditions, such as breast cancer, blood clots, and stroke. Therefore, it's important to discuss the potential risks and benefits of HRT with your doctor before starting treatment. The role of diet and exercise in weight loss. While HRT may help promote weight loss, it is not a magic bullet. To achieve lasting weight loss, it's important to adopt a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. A diet that is rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, can help provide the nutrients your body needs to support weight loss. In addition, regular exercise can help burn calories, build muscle, and improve overall health. Tips for using HRT safely and effectively. If you're considering using HRT for weight loss, it's important to do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Your doctor can help you choose the right type of HRT based on your individual needs and health status. In addition, your doctor can monitor your health and adjust your treatment as needed to help minimize potential risks and side effects. Other tips for using HRT safely and effectively include maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying a healthy weight, and getting regular checkups. That concludes our video on the best HRT for weight loss. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, if you're considering using HRT for weight loss, it's important to do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Always discuss the potential risks and benefits of HRT with your doctor before starting treatment. And remember, while HRT may help promote weight loss, it is not a magic bullet. A healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise is the key to achieving lasting weight loss. Thank you for watching.